Hi everyone, welcome to Super20 Institute. Today we're going to discuss 2018 CBSE exam paper. This is the question 4 of section A, what comes in the exam. Here you are asked that in an AP, if the common difference D equals -4 and the 7th term A7 is 4, then find the first term. First of all, let's just write what's given. You are given common difference D equals -4, A7 equals 4, which you can also write as T7, which is the term 7. Now you have to find A1 or A, which is the first term of an arithmetic progression AP. Now you can use nth term formula of the AP. The nth term formula says Tn equals A plus n minus 1d. Here Tn is given, d is given, A you have to find, and n you're given as 7. Now substituting the value of n, you'll get T7 equals A plus 7 minus 1d. Now substitute the rest of the values of Tn and d. You'll get 4 plus A plus 7 minus 1 is 6d. Now again, by calculating the rest, 4 equals A plus 6 into -4 is -24. Now take this -24 on the other side, you'll get A equals 4 plus 24, and A will be equal to 28, which is your first term and your answer.